Hi all, welcome to Shilpa's Math Classes. Today we are going to discuss some two-step equations with decimals. We can begin with a simple example. So first question is V divided by 2.2 minus zero point 0.1 is equal to 7.4. So solving this equation means we have to find the value of V. Here the term having V is this one, V over 2.2. So we have to isolate that on the left side so that we can move this negative zero point 0.1 to the right side. So the question changes to V over 2.2 is equal to 7.4 plus zero point 0.1. Okay. So the subtraction on the left side becomes addition on the right side. So it is 7.4 plus zero point 0.1. So V over 2.2 is equal to 7.5. Okay. Then next, how can we find V from this? V is equal to, here it is divided by 2.2. So V is equal to 7.5. The opposite operation of division is multiplication times 2.2. So we can find 7.5 times 2.2. So just multiply as if they were normal numbers. 5 into 2, 10, 1, 7 into 2, 14, plus 1, 15. Again, 2 into 5, 10, 1, 7 into 2, 14, plus 1, 5. Then add 0, 5, 6, 1. So the question has two digits on the right side of decimal point. So our answer will also have two digits on the right side of decimal point. So V is equal to 16.5 is the answer. Okay, if you have any confusion about integer rules or decimal operation rules, I will provide the playlist at last. You can watch that too. Okay, next equation. Second one. 7 is equal to a minus 9.2 whole divided by 3. So here a minus 9.2 the whole divided by 3. So we have to isolate this thing on the right side. So for that we can multiply both sides by 3. So the question becomes 3 times 7, or you can think like this 7 means 7 over 1, so you can cross multiply, then 7 into 3 is equal to 1 into a minus 9.2, that is a minus 9.2 itself. So 7 into 3, 21 is equal to a minus 9.2. Now, how can we find A? Bring this minus 9.2 from right side to left side. So the question changes to 21 plus 9.2 is equal to A. Then we can add 21 and 9.2 here. 9.2. So 0 plus 2, 2, 9 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 10, carry over 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 30.2. A is equal to 30.2 is the answer. Okay, we can check another example. Negative 1.3g plus 1.9 is equal to negative 11.1. Okay, so we have to isolate this term here, negative 1.3g. Then bring this 1.9 from left side to right side. So the question changes to negative 11.1 minus 1.9. Here both numbers are negative, so the answer is also negative. So according to the integer subtraction rule, the question changes to, the right side changes to negative 11.1 plus opposite of the second number, negative 1.9. So here both numbers are negative, so the answer is negative. Left side is negative 1.3g itself. Okay, we can add negative 11.1 and negative 1.9 here. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Just so it is negative 13. So negative 13. Negative 1.3 g is equal to negative 13. So g is equal to negative 13 divided by negative 1.3. So it's just 1.3 times 3, 10. So both numerator and denominator are negative. So the answer will be positive. So it is positive 10. Negative 13 divided by negative 1.3 is equal to positive 10. So next question. Okay. Fourth one. Negative 14.3 is equal to negative 1.4 minus 3d. So here we have to isolate this minus 3d on the right side. For that we can move this negative 1.4 from right side to left side. So negative 14.3 plus 1.4 is equal to negative 3d. So here one number is negative, other number is positive. So take the difference of their absolute values. So absolute value of negative 14.3 is equal to 14.3. Absolute value of 1.4 is equal to 1.4. So their difference 14.3 minus 1.4 is borrow 1, so it's 13. This becomes 3. 13 minus 4 is 9. 3 minus 1, 2. So 12.9. So 12.9. The answer is negative since the number having greater absolute value is negative. So negative 12.9 is equal to negative 3d. So how can we find d? Divide negative 12.9 by negative 3 is equal to d. So how can we divide negative 12.9 by negative 3? Since both numbers are negative, the answer would be positive. Then we can check 12.9 divided by 3 here. So 4 times 3 is 12. Decimal is here. 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is plus 4.3. D is equal to positive 4.3. Okay. We can check one more example. Suppose the question is k divided by 3.5 plus 7.4 is equal to 8. So the term having k is this thing. So we have to isolate that term here. So k over 3.5 is equal to 8. Then 7.4 goes to the other side minus 7.4. So 8 minus 7.4 is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 0.6. That is it. So k over 3.5 is equal to 0.6. Next, how can we find k? So just 0.6 means it's 0.6 over 1. So we can take the cross product. K into 1 is k is equal to 0.6 into 3.5. So how can we multiply 0.6 into 3.5? Just multiply as if they were normal numbers like 35 times 6. 6 into 5, 30. 3. 6 into 3, 18 plus 3, 21. The question has 2 digits on the right side or decimal point. So our answer will also have 2 digits on the right side or decimal point. So k is equal to 2.1 is the answer. Okay, we can do one more question, last question. So sixth one. 14.2 is equal to 2 into negative 5.8 plus d. So here we have to isolate the terms in the brackets on the right side so that we can, here it is 2 times. So when we bring this 2 to the left side, it becomes division. 14.2 divided by 2 is equal to negative 5.8 plus t. So we can check what is 14.2 divided by 2. So 14.2 divided by 2 is 7. 14 decimal point 2 divided by 2 1. So 7.1 is equal to negative 5.8 plus t. Then how can we find t? Bring this negative 5.8 from right side to left side. So 7.1 plus 5.8 is equal to t. Okay. Then you can find 7.1 plus 5.8 is equal to 8 plus 1 9 decimal point 7 plus 5 12. So t is equal to 12.9 is the answer. Okay, hope the idea is clear. I will provide the playlist for integer operation and decimal operation. At last, you can watch that too. See you in the next class. Bye.